Hi, my name is Cassaundra Hoch. I'm an RBT with Brett DiNovi Associates. Today, we're exploring how you can use high probability sequencing and applied behavior analysis, or ABA, to boost your daily motivation. In this video, we will cover 6th edition task list items: G12, select and implement chaining procedures; G16, design and evaluate procedures to maintain desired behavior change following intervention; and H1, develop intervention goals and observable and measurable items. Feeling like your motivation is stuck on snooze? Well, fret no more, because today we're diving into high-P sequencing. High probability sequencing is an antecedent intervention strategy. It involves presenting a series of tasks with high probability of completion, such as high probability tasks, followed by a less likely completed task or a low probability task. The successful completion of high probability tasks creates a motivational effect, increasing the likelihood of completing the low probability task. Imagine it as a motivational springboard. It's all about strategically placing easy-peasy tasks you're practically guaranteed to crush right before a more challenging one. Individuals are less likely to resist starting a task sequence when it begins with easy wins. Successfully completing high-P tasks can improve focus and attention, making it easier to transition to the harder task. By conquering those small wins, you build momentum, making the bigger goal seem less daunting and way more achievable. Ready to unleash your inner productivity beast? Here's some ways high-P sequencing can turn you into a motivational machine. Ditch the snooze button. Start your day with making your bed, brush your teeth, and throw on your favorite pump-up playlist. Then you can take a look at your busy to-do list, prepare for those back-to-back meetings, and/or schedule those hundreds of phone calls. These easy wins set the tone for a productive day and give you a mental high five to conquer anything your schedule throws your way. Who says work can't be a game? Turn your to-do list into a point-scoring system. Start with those quick email replies and desk organization tasks. Each completed item is a point towards tackling that monster project on your list. Before you know it, you'll be racking up points and conquering your workload like a champion. Who says work can't be a game? Turn your to-do list into a point-scoring system. Start with those quick email replies and desk organization tasks. Each completed item is a point towards tackling that monster project on your list. Before you know it, you'll be racking up points and conquering your workload like a champion. Feeling like skipping that workout? Start with some simple stretches or a brisk walk around the block. You can even slowly build by much smaller reps of something more intimidating, such as weights or push-ups. Remember, the key to using high-P is successive completion until you hit bigger wins, so start small. The predictable nature of starting with easy tasks can also reduce anxiety associated with the more difficult task. Meal prep magic. Ditch the takeout menus and start with simple tasks like washing fruits and veggies or prepping your ingredients. Pick food you'd actually want to eat, and trust me, it makes the whole process more sustainable. These behaviors are all low probability wins that will roll into completing those steps that are less probable. Suddenly, that full meal that you were putting off doesn't seem so scary anymore. Now, let's discuss the analytic breakdown and which principles high-P uses. Operant conditioning. High-P sequencing leverages the principles of operant conditioning, specifically positive reinforcement. Completing the initial high probability tasks acts as a positive reinforcer, increasing the likelihood of completing the subsequent, less desirable task. Momentum building. Each successfully completed high-P task acts as a mini-win. These mini-wins create a sense of momentum and accomplishment, making the low-probability task seem less daunting. Increased self-efficacy. Completing the high-P tasks fosters a sense of self-efficacy or the belief in one's ability to succeed. This increased self-belief strengthens motivation to tackle the more challenging task. Reduce anxiety. The predictable nature of starting with easy tasks can reduce anxiety associated with the more difficult task. Reduce resistance. Individuals are less likely to resist starting a task sequence when it begins with easy wins. Focus on engagement. Successfully completing high-P tasks can improve focus and attention, making it easier to transition to the harder task. Reduce procrastination. The momentum built from completing high-probability tasks can help overcome procrastination and initiate the low probability task. Improved task completion rates. Research suggests that high P sequencing can significantly increase the likelihood of completing complex or undesirable tasks. Overall, high P sequencing works by making the task initiation process more rewarding and less intimidating, leading to increased task completion rates in various aspects of daily life. Remember, small wins lead to big victories. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help keep disseminating the science.
Bye.